Good morning from the garden. I wanted to show just a little glimpse of what's been happening. I have not been posting very much lately, and that's because our weather has been actually quite cold through the month of May, and we have had a lot of rain. So the good side of having a lot of rain is that the plants that are outside are doing really well, and we have had a beautiful show of peonies. This is my favorite flower, and you can see here just a little glimpse of how gorgeous they are. Beautiful colors. Now that June is here, we're starting to get better weather, warmer weather, and more consistently warm evening temperatures. Now the real work begins. I have a lot of seeds I still have to plant, but because it's June, even if you haven't started sowing your seeds, don't fret. We have time, and it's going to be a very busy month. But I just want to show you some of our fruit trees. We've got some gorgeous blueberries coming in. Really excited for blueberries. And you can see some of our other fruit trees to the back. Our berry cage is laden with berries. We've got a few pears coming in. These are the first pears that we have ever had. So we're very excited about that. Not to mention, we also have some beautiful apples, different varieties coming in. So here in the back, we've got some figs here. A lot of our different kinds of fruit trees. So I'll be excited to show you guys more in upcoming videos. But until then, I hope you're enjoying your gardens, and I hope you're getting some really great harvests. And I look forward to seeing you very soon.